Hi, I'm Ron Berman with Sea Ray Boats, and today we're at the Miami International Boat Show at the debut of the brand new Sea Ray 450 Sundancer. One of our focuses with the design of the 450 was bringing lots of natural light into the interior of the boat. You'll notice a full beam salon door, very large house windows in the salon, and down below large hull windows that bring tons of natural light and wonderful vistas into the interior. Adding to the open airy feel is an enlarged sunroof centered over the salon. We learned that many of our customers value entertaining on their boat, and we position the Galley in the new 450 Sundancer to support preparing a meal and wonderful entertaining. The Galley aft design connects the Galley wonderfully with the cockpit as well as the forward lounging areas in the interior. It features dual side-by-side refrigerators, storage through the countertop for glasses and dishware, an available wine fridge, very conveniently located I might add, and then to port is the rest of the Galley with the sink, 2-burner stove, microwave, and plenty of storage behind multiple doors and a large drawer down here. So to add to entertaining pleasure on your boat, the TV is set up to serve two purposes. By releasing a latch, the TV will come out and it can be positioned for great viewing in the forward seating, or if you want to watch TV from the cockpit, it will also extend and turn around and face the cockpit as well. The 450 can be a very open boat, connecting the cockpit with the interior very seamlessly. If you want more privacy or the weather gets a little cool or hot and you want to go inside, the salon door is designed to come across, and then to get in and out more easily, the center panel will open by grabbing the latch. So for those days when you don't want the boat open, you can passage through the middle of the boat very easily without interrupting the seating. To make best use of the entire boat, we've designed in a wonderful sun lounge at the bow that's a standard feature. It can be used as a flat sun pad or converted to a chaise lounge. Also available is a wonderful sail shade. It uses 4 stainless steel poles and a nice mesh shade above it to create a very nice environment to hang out at the front of the boat. You'll also notice this boat's equipped with speakers up front so you can have your tunes up on the foredeck as well. A Sea Ray is a unique boat not only in design but also in our materials and components that we use on our boats. We try and use the best products we can, and a great example of that is the ACR spotlight that is on the 450 Sundancer. This is a twin bulb cast aluminum spotlight. It's actually the same light we use on our flagship L650. We don't believe in cutting corners on important systems and components, and this spotlight's a great example of that. This boat has our transom gourmet space that features a grill and a sink. We also have convenient storage. There's 2 storage compartments below, a great place to put dock lines. Shore power connections for power, cable, and water. There's a remote for the optional hydraulic swim platform, as well as a washdown faucet. So everything's easy to get to and conveniently located. And this boat has one neat trick up its sleeve. The cockpit is very roomy now, but if added space is needed, at the touch of a switch, the aft seat will travel aft about 16 inches, creating an even larger space. So in addition to being a great place to entertain, the cockpit of the 450 has some wonderful features as well. You'll notice a very high quality wood table that's hinged. So if you need a bigger table for dining, it's great for that. But if you want it smaller, it will collapse. The 450 also has some great storage solutions. Under the aft seat cushion, there's a storage compartment here. And then to port, there's a large storage compartment here, and that's big enough to store fenders in. Under the port cockpit seat is either standard storage, or as on this box, is an optional cool box. This insulated compartment has plenty of room to hold lots of beverages and food for a day on the water. So another great example of attention to detail, something seemingly simple that we've worked on, is our switch plates out on the exterior. These waterproof fixtures feature a very elegant, clean look, easy to read text, but very importantly, they're also backlit, so at night they're really easy to read and see. We know the helm of any motor yacht is a very important feature, and on the new 450 Sundancer, we focused on wonderful ergonomics, great visibility, wonderful comfort with a double wide helm seat with arms, and the latest in Raymarine electronics. This boat features dual 12-inch ES 128 electronics from Raymarine, the latest and greatest. The switches are conveniently located, controls are well placed, and the available joystick is very conveniently located for wonderful ability to maneuver easily. So where you're at the helm, it's nice to have a bit of storage as well, and we've thought of the captain here also. We've got easy to access storage on top of the dash, a convenient drawer here for small items, and then behind the door to starboard is breakers as well as another small storage area. So the boat we're on today is powered by a pair of Cummins QSB 550 horsepower diesel engine V-drives. We also power the 450 Sundancer with a pair of QSB 550 coupled with Zeus drives. The boat we're on today with shaft power will cruise around 29 miles per hour and top out right at 35. With Zeus power, you're going to get added performance. Cruise will be in excess of 30 miles per hour and wide open throttle speed will be in the 36 mile per hour range. The design of the 450 provides a wonderful private space for the owner of the boat to come down. Entering through the door in the companionway, you come into a private oasis. The first thing you'll notice when you come in the master stateroom of the 450 Sundancer is a very expansive space. It's full beam with windows on both sides of the hull. Along the port side of the 450 master stateroom is a standard dresser and full-length hanging locker. The dresser features wonderful wood trim, a nice decorative inlay in the countertop, but very importantly, 3 very large drawers, one aft, one here in the middle, and one forward, creating wonderful storage compartments. And then forward is a nice full-length hanging locker, and one of the clever things the team came up with to provide flexible storage is there's a fold-up shelf, so if you have long items, you can hang long dresses or evening wear. Additionally, to starboard, there's a settee with a storage cabinet aft, and optionally, we can replace the settee with even more storage with the feature of a second dresser. Along the forward bulkhead of the master stateroom is additional storage. There's an available washer dryer behind this door, a large storage drawer here. There's a location for the AV electronics, and in this particular boat, this has the optional upgrade of the Bose Soundwave system, and then a large TV on the forward bulkhead, making it very easy to view from the bed or the settee. The master head features a very large shower behind a clear acrylic door, transitioning forward to a well-appointed vanity area with solid surface countertop, glass bowl sink, mirrored storage doors above, and wonderful tile natural stone flooring. The spacious forward stateroom features wonderful materials and finishes as the rest of the boat. Large hull windows port and starboard, creating a great view of the water and letting lots of natural light in. The bed is set up for versatility. It's a scissor bed design, so it can be positioned as twin beds, or by simply pulling the 2 beds together, it will create a wonderful queen size bed. Features port and starboard hanging lockers. They're very tall and provide wonderful storage. The starboard locker has a hinge-up shelf in it for flexibility. To starboard is the entry to the second head. Like the master head, it features rich materials and finishes, storage behind the mirrored doors as well as below the vanity, and a large shower behind an acrylic glass door. We know our customers value storage, and the 450 Sundancer has a very innovative feature of a companionway hall closet. By opening this door, it reveals a floor-to-ceiling storage compartment for both small and large items alike. The 450 Sundancer has a length overall of 46 feet 8 inches, a very generous beam at 14 feet 2 inches. It holds 375 gallons of fuel, 140 gallons of water, has 2 staterooms and 2 heads. Inspiration from the 450 really started with listening to our customers and owners. We heard what they valued in a boat, and I think you'll find when you come on board the new Sea Ray 450 Sundancer, you're going to see benefits that you've been looking for in a new sport yacht.